Hello people, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make baked chicken. This one is for all those who send me messages asking me to share recipe for baked chicken instead of frying. Okay, so let's get started and check out the ingredients needed to make this super easy, super quick and yummy baked chicken. Here I'm using 2 breast pieces which I have cut into half. To start with, let's take a bowl. Take 3 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 to half teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika or chili powder. Then I've used 1 teaspoon of mixed herb and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Mix it really well. Some recipes are so quick it can be made under an hour. And the best part is having all these ingredients in your pantry. Okay, nothing complicated. Just add it all together and your marinade is ready. So here I'm adding some salt as a final ingredient into my marinade. Mix it well and there you go. You have your marinade ready. Now next what we have to do is spread it across the chicken pieces. Once it's well coated, you can place it in a grease pan in which you are planning to bake the chicken. Once done, let it sit for 10 minutes. Here, if you see, I'm adding few lemon slices on top of the chicken which has been marinated. It's just to give that tanginess. If you do not want any lemon in your baked chicken, you can always omit it. So let's get baking. We will bake it in a preheated oven of 425 Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. And once done, you have the most juiciest chicken ready to be served. You can serve it along with some veggies of your choice. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Until next time, it's bye from Lindsay.